When you think of Hawaiian luxury, the Halekulani Hotel in Honolulu represents everything that makes Waikiki Beach special. Sitting right on the famous shoreline at 2199 Kalia Road, this 5-star resort has earned both Forbes 5-star and AAA 5 diamond ratings, putting it among the most prestigious hotels in the entire Pacific region. The name Halekulani translates to house without sorrows, and that philosophy runs through every aspect of this remarkable property. What makes this place truly special is how it blends timeless Hawaiian elegance with contemporary luxury without ever feeling stuffy or pretentious. The hotel first opened its doors back in 1917 as a cottage rental called the Halekulani Apartments, founded by Juliet Rice Penland, who had a vision of creating something extraordinary on this stretch of paradise. The Benson family took over in 1956 and transformed it into a full-service hotel, with major expansions in the 1980s adding the modern tower that guests enjoy today. Unlike many luxury properties that have been swallowed up by massive hotel chains, Halekulani remains independently owned, which means it has preserved its unique character and commitment to authentic Hawaiian hospitality. The property just completed a massive $60 million renovation between 2023 and 2024, refreshing all 453 guest rooms and suites with new furnishings, Hawaiian artwork, and modern technology upgrades including smart room controls. They also revamped the famous Orchids pool area and the House Without a Key venue to enhance the outdoor experience. Walking through the property, you will notice over 50 varieties of orchids throughout the grounds, which has become one of the hotel's signature touches that guests absolutely love. Let's talk about where you will actually be staying during your visit. Halekulani offers 453 rooms and suites across several categories, and every single one comes with marble bathrooms, 400 thread count linens that feel like sleeping on clouds, Nespresso machines for your morning coffee fix, in-room safes, and even a customizable pillow menu they call the Halekulani Bliss Collection, so you can get your sleep exactly right. The entry-level ocean view rooms measure 42 square meters or about 450 square feet, featuring either a king bed or 2 doubles with a sitting area and a private lanai balcony. These rooms offer partial or full ocean views of Waikiki, and they can accommodate up to 4 guests with a rollaway bed if needed. The rooms come with complimentary Wi-Fi, 55-inch televisions, minibars, comfortable yukata robes, molten brown toiletries that smell absolutely amazing, and twice daily housekeeping service. Each room features custom orchid arrangements that get refreshed regularly, and the lanai comes equipped with lounge chairs perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails. The design uses crisp whites with turquoise accents that mirror the ocean just outside your window. Step up to the Oceanfront Rooms, which are the same size but offer direct, unobstructed views of the Pacific Ocean. These rooms add binoculars for whale watching during migration season, and the floor-to-ceiling windows mean you can literally watch the sunset from your bed. The marble tubs are positioned so you can soak while gazing out at the ocean, which honestly feels like the ultimate luxury experience. If you need more space, the one-bedroom suites offer 84 square meters or 900 square feet with a separate bedroom, living and dining areas, and a spacious lanai. These suites add a kitchenette, a second television, and the option for butler service if you really want to feel pampered. They feature wet bars and private foyers, and the decor includes beautiful Hawaiian quilts and artwork. The suites offer either ocean or city views and can accommodate up to 4 guests comfortably. At the top of the range, the Halekulani Suites span 139 square meters or 1,500 square feet and up, with multiple rooms and prime oceanfront locations. Some of these incredible suites include grand pianos and private plunge pools, and all come with personal butler service as standard. The decor is absolutely opulent with marble finishes and curated art collections, and the Infinity Edge lanais offer some of the best views in all of Waikiki. These suites can accommodate up to 6 guests, making them perfect for families or groups traveling together. Pricing varies significantly by season, with low season from January through March running roughly $600 to $900 per night, while high season during summer months and holidays can push rates from $1,200 up to over $5,000 per night for the premium suites. The recent renovations have really elevated these rooms, with guests consistently praising the fresh, modern feel while maintaining that classic Hawaiian elegance that makes Halekulani special. The dining situation at Halekulani is genuinely impressive, with 5 distinct venues that emphasize Hawaii regional cuisine using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The most iconic spot is House Without a Key, an open-air beachfront lounge that serves Hawaiian and Pacific cuisine with an atmosphere that perfectly captures the aloha spirit. Their menu highlights include the famous hula pie, fresh poke that showcases the day's catch, creative mai tais, and an excellent selection of seafood. They serve breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and dinner from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. with live Hawaiian music every single night. The dress code is resort casual, meaning you can come straight from the beach, and the venue accommodates over 200 guests. While reservations are available online, they prioritize walk-ins, so you can usually grab a table without too much planning. The real magic happens nightly from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. when they host complimentary hula and fire knife shows right on the beach, creating an unforgettable dining experience as you watch the sunset with a mai tai in hand. For fine dining enthusiasts, La Mer represents the pinnacle of culinary excellence at Halekulani. This French-Hawaiian fusion restaurant has the potential for 2 Michelin stars and serves dinner only from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday through Sunday. The menu features luxurious items like caviar and foie gras paired with local Kona lobster, and they offer 5 or 7-course tasting menus ranging from $250 to $400 per person. The dress code requests jackets for gentlemen, and the intimate 60-seat venue requires reservations at least 30 days in advance for peak times. They also host special wine dinners quarterly that pair exceptional vintages with the chef's creations. The elegant table settings and plated presentations, especially the lobster towers, make every meal feel like a special occasion. Orchids provides a more casual beachfront dining experience available throughout the day, focusing on seafood and Asian fusion cuisine. Their ahai tartare and kalua pork are standout dishes, and the Sunday brunch buffet runs about $100 per person and is absolutely worth it. They serve breakfast from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., lunch from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner from 5:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. The resort casual dress code and 250-seat capacity make it perfect for families, and reservations are recommended especially for the popular Sunday jazz brunch. The views of the infinity pool and ocean create a stunning backdrop for every meal, and their vibrant poke bowls have become Instagram famous. The newest addition is the Halekulani Pastry Suite, which opened in 2024 as an artisanal bakery and cafe. Open from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, this 50-seat spot serves incredible croissants, unique matcha desserts that blend French and Japanese techniques, and excellent coffee. The glass cases display orchid-decorated pastries that are almost too beautiful to eat. No reservations are needed, and the casual atmosphere makes it perfect for a quick breakfast or afternoon treat. Finally, the Mer and House Without a Key serves cocktails and tapas from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. with a casual dress code and space for about 100 guests. Their signature mai tais are considered some of the best in Waikiki, and the small plates menu offers perfect beach snacks. The beachside setting with tiki torches and glowing drinks creates that classic tropical paradise vibe, and the live music makes it a great spot to end your evening. The pool and beach facilities at Halekulani are absolutely stunning and represent some of the best in Waikiki. The resort features 2 outdoor infinity pools that seem to blend seamlessly with the ocean beyond. The main Orchids pool spans 700 square meters and includes a swim-up bar where you can order tropical drinks without ever leaving the water. The smaller Grays pool is designated as adults only, providing a quieter atmosphere for guests seeking peace and relaxation. Both pools are heated year-round, which is great for early morning or evening swims when the air temperature drops slightly. The main pool depth ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, perfect for swimming laps or just floating around, and private cabanas are available for rent if you want that extra level of luxury. The pools operate from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, and because Hawaii enjoys beautiful weather year-round, you can enjoy them during any season. The poolside service is exceptional, with attendants providing towels, chilled orbs to keep you cool, and full menu service so you can order food and drinks without leaving your lounger. But the real star of the show is the beach access. Halekulani sits on 800 meters of powdery white sand on Waikiki Beach, with calm, swimmable waters that are perfect for all skill levels. Unlike some Waikiki hotels that are blocked by high-rises, Halekulani maintains an unobstructed beachfront that lets you enjoy stunning sunset views every evening. The beach offers complimentary kayak and stand-up paddleboard rentals, which is a fantastic perk that other luxury hotels often charge extra for. They also have outrigger canoes available, and snorkeling spots are located nearby where you can see tropical fish and maybe even some sea turtles. The beach butler service is incredibly attentive, setting up umbrellas and chairs that rent for $50 to $100 per day depending on the setup you want. Fresh towels are always available, and the staff regularly checks to see if you need anything. The combination of pristine sand, gentle waves, and professional service creates a beach experience that is hard to beat anywhere in Hawaii. During peak season, the beach can get busy, but the hotel's 800-meter stretch means you can usually find a quieter spot if you prefer. The water temperature stays comfortable throughout the year, typically ranging from 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for swimming, paddleboarding, or just wading in the shallows. The beach is also fantastic for early morning walks when Waikiki is still quiet and you can watch the sunrise paint the sky in shades of pink and orange. When it comes to activities and recreation, Halekulani offers an impressive range of options that go well beyond just lounging by the pool. The 24-hour fitness center features state-of-the-art Technogym cardio equipment and weight machines, free weights, Peloton bikes, and a dedicated stretching area. What really sets it apart is the complimentary daily yoga and Pilates classes that are open to all guests, providing a perfect way to start your morning or wind down your evening. If you want more personalized attention, personal trainers are available for about $100 per hour and can create custom workout plans tailored to your fitness goals. The fitness center is accessible 24/7 with your room keycard, so whether you are an early bird or a night owl, you can maintain your workout routine. Beyond the fitness center, the hotel offers a variety of water sports and activities right from the beach. The complimentary kayak and paddleboard rentals are incredibly popular, and the staff can point you toward the best spots for exploring the coastline. Outrigger canoe rides provide a traditional Hawaiian experience, and snorkeling equipment is available if you want to explore the underwater world. The hotel also partners with local operators to offer surfing lessons, catamaran cruises, and even scuba diving excursions to nearby reefs. For those interested in Hawaiian culture, the hotel hosts daily lei-making classes and ukulele lessons, giving you a chance to learn traditional arts from local experts. These cultural activities are typically complimentary or available for a small fee, and they provide wonderful opportunities to connect with Hawaiian traditions. The nightly live Hawaiian music at House Without a Key creates a festive atmosphere, and the hula performances showcase the grace and storytelling of this ancient dance form. The hotel also offers a complimentary Waikiki trolley service that makes it easy to explore nearby shopping and dining areas without worrying about parking or transportation. For families, these activities provide great opportunities to experience Hawaii beyond just the resort, and the staff is always happy to provide recommendations based on your interests and activity level. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.